Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at patterns on the 100 chart. The 100 chart is a chart that starts at 1 and ends at 100. We read the chart from left to right and from top to bottom. So when you get to the end of the row, you go back and start the next row. The 100 chart is a great way to practice counting to 100. First, you can practice with the chart, and as you get better, try practicing without the chart and just going back when you need to. On the right side of your chart, you'll see that you can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The top row ends with 10, but the rest of the row are single-digit numbers. After 10 come the teen numbers. Then the 20s, the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s, followed by 100. There are so many patterns on the hundreds chart. Let's keep going. If you look at 1 and then look down the chart, you'll notice that all of the numbers under 1 end in 1, or we could say they have a 1 in the ones place. Now look at all of the numbers underneath the 2. Do you notice that all of these numbers end with a 2? Watch how all of the numbers under the 3 end in 3. Watch the pattern continue. Another pattern we see clearly on the 100 chart is odds and evens. All the even numbers are highlighted in orange. Do you see that beautiful pattern? Where are the odd numbers? We can also skip count by fives on the hundreds chart. Watch the pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. The trickiest part when you're counting to 100 is knowing the name of the next 10. For example, after 19, what comes next? After 29, after 39, after 49. And so this part you might need to practice more than the rest of your chart. If you're counting without your chart and you forget what comes next, it helps to go back to your chart and look. After 19 is 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 49, 50, 59, 60, 69, 70, 79, 80, 89, 90, 99, 100. You can look for so many cool patterns on the hundreds chart. Here's one. We can look for numbers where both digits are the same. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. Even look at the digits and see what the two digits add up to. So let's look at some numbers where the digits add up to 10. That's cool. What about numbers where the digits add to 9? Interesting. Let's look at digits adding up to 8. Mathematicians like you would think about why these patterns are there.